Hi, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x20BT from floorcare.biz. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. If you have a hole in your solution drain hose and you need to replace it, very simple. Just take it, pull it from the bottom side or the top side first, it really doesn't matter. Just like that. Take it off on both ends, reinstall it, same way you took it off. Just like that. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.